Hi, so welcome to week 6B. I wanted to go over that with you, make sure everything made sense and was clear. Wanted to make sure that gave you a heads up on week 6B. So let's go ahead and share the screen. All right. So July 10th through 13th. The topics are 1st and 2nd Timothy, and then Titus and Philemon. And then we'll look at the discussion board and all of that in a second. But the readings are Encountering the New Testament, chapter 21, pages 317 to 325. And then Encountering the New Testament, I think that's meant to say 22, but or maybe no, maybe it does mean 20. Yeah, you're going backwards a little bit in the reading. So chapter 21, 317 to 325, and then 20, 303 to 306. And then in the New Testament, 1st and 2nd Timothy, Titus, and Philemon. And then the assignments are going to be reading quiz 12 and of course the discussion board. And so let's go ahead and take a look at that. Give me just one moment here. Okay, there we go. So the discussion board is due Thursday, June 12th at 11:59. First response, 150 words. Two responses have to be 75 words roughly. I haven't graded too harsh on that, but that's the general rule. First post 150 words, your personal response, and then your responses to classmates 75 words. And then once again, there are two options, but first of all, be sure that all of your responses for week 6B are completed by Saturday, because after Saturday, 1 point will be deducted for any late responses. Just to be clear, it is minus 1 point for every day that a post is late. So just wanted to be upfront about that. And then two questions, two options here. Option one, this is the 6th week of learning about the New Testament. Read 2 Timothy 3:16 to 17. Do you think that the Bible is profitable, i.e., beneficial? Be sure to examine the verses and give me some reasons from the verses given why you think it is or is not profitable for the 21st century student. So, do you think that for you studying the kind of person, well, obviously, that you are the 21st century student studying the Bible, do you think that the Bible is profitable for you and your classmates? For you, your classmates, and other 21st century students? What do you think about that? And then option two, you could research the background of Paul's disciple Timothy. You could look and see who is Timothy, who was he, what was his role, how did he connect with Paul, etc. So then you have the reading guide. You can download that. And then the reading quiz that opened Monday, July 7th at midnight, and it will close Sunday, July 13th at 11:59 p.m. And something that was added, have you done the reading assignment using the reading guide? If not, you are not ready to take the reading quiz. So use the reading guide. And once again, first attempt, 3 minutes. Grade to pass is 6 out of 10. So then we have the lecture notes and the lectures by guest lecturer Philip Wood. Lecture 29, PowerPoint, 1st and 2nd Timothy. And then the lecture notes for Titus and Philemon, and then the lecture 30, once again by Philip Wood, for Titus and Philemon. And so you'll go through those And that's about the gist of week 6B. Hopefully that all makes sense. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to ask and let me know. And with that, I will talk to you soon. Thank you.